As a teacher, it is important to make the learners trust you. Trust you in a way that they are comfortable to learn and share their learnings to you. I wanted to point out my 7 A's in developing creativity in teaching learning process. First, accepting environment. Second, attending to concerns. Third, autonomy response. Fourth, apply feedbacking. Fifth, adjust instructions. Sixth, avoid stereotyping. Lastly, allow diverse interpretations. One of the ways is utilizing technological tools in sharing your ideas through interactive presentations, magazine-type reports, and even audio-aided presentations.
Share moments with amazing transitions through Adobe After Effects. Create stories that inspires through Adobe Premiere. Encourage others to be part of the progress of the community in less than a minute through Adobe Sparks. Reach out individuals through your voice with Adobe Edition. Develop your career through Adobe InDesign and Illustrator. These are the ways to empower our future generation in their journey to what we call nation building.
Help them see that editing images and compiling video clips are easy with the aid of different Adobe tools. One must remember that the more creative you are, the more successful you can be. Being creative is the best way to capture and have great memories, one picture, one episode at a time.